Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Who is covered by indigenous eggs? The Jonas egg protect only certain maritime workers, specifically sailors and seamen working on an America vessel. Seamen and sailors. To qualify as a seaman, you must spend at least 30% of your time on a vessel in navigation. The term vessel is broadly used in everything from a large cargo ship to a small tugboat is considered a vessel. To be in navigation, the vessel must not be dry-docked or have cased operation. It does not require that the ship be out to sea the entire time you are working or at the time of the accident occurred. Additionally, to be a seaman, your possession must contribute to the function or mission of the flag. If you are unsure about your classification as an injured seaman or sailor, discuss the fact with our team. We can help determine whether you are covered by the Jonas Acts or another maritime law. For instance, if you are a longshoreman or harbor worker, you may be covered by the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Acts. And then next about compensation under the Jonas Acts. Based on the Jonas Acts, you can pursue compensation for your past, current, and future medical expenses associated with the accident and resulting injuries. If you need a lot of medical care in the coming years, speak with an Houston Jonas Act attorney. Your case may benefit from a medical expert who can discuss your ongoing medical costs. Another item covered by the Jonas Act is your lost wages and reduced earning capacity. If your injury resulted in a long-term physical or cognitive impairment, making you unable to work or forcing you to change careers, then you can seek compensation for the difference in your earning potential. An economic loss expert can provide support for your case regarding lost income and earned capacity. You are also entitled to non-economic damages, including your physical pain and mental anguish. It can be challenging to translate these injuries into a monetary figure. And then next, vocational training and punitive damages. The Jonas Acts also entitles you to vocational rehabilitation. Following a permanent injury, you may need to be retrained to work in new types of job. If your employer is responsible for your injuries, then they can be held accountable for your training. Additionally, if you believe you were injured due to recklessness or intentional misconduct, speak with your lawyer about possible punitive damages. Sign a 29 Supreme Court case. Injured seamen have been entitled to pursue punitive damages if they can prove willful wrongdoing by their employers. And then next, the Jonas X claim process. While the Jonas X may shoot like a workers' complaint, is very different. In many workers' compensation claims, you will file paperwork with your employer on the stakes. You do not have to file a lawsuit unless something goes wrong, and then you must enforce your right to worker compensation benefit in court. For the Jonas X, you must go beyond dealing with your employer. A lawsuit is actually required in federal court against your employer claiming that another employer or agent of the business is qualified of negligence or international misconduct. And then Jonas X insurance. Many maritime employers have a maritime insurance policy to cover incidents like yours. They may contact you to discuss a possible settlement, but it's usually best to let an attorney negotiate it because accepting a settlement will likely involve foregoing a lawsuit and giving up your ability to file a lawsuit. And then Jonas X lawyers in Houston. The Jonas X, also called the Merchant Marina X and 7020, is a federal law that lets an employer sue their employers following injuries sustained at sea. The Jonas X allows an injured seaman to sue his or her employer for negligence and to receive fair compensation for medical costs, physical pain, disfigurement, mental anguish, physical limitation, and loss of earning capacity. If you have been injured at sea or offshore, the Houston Maritime Accident Attorneys. And then next about what is the Jonas X. Law is similar to the Jonas Act that back at the earliest days of the United States, but the Jonas Act itself followed at 1912 sinking of the REMS Titanic. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.